the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. Amaranth is an ancient grain that was forgotten for thousands of years, but now it's making a comeback because it has more protein per kilogram than lean beef and more antioxidants than blueberries. It's also gluten-free, which makes it a perfect substitute for wheat in many recipes. The possibilities with amaranth are endless, and we're excited to share them all with you. So let's get started. Amaranth is a pseudo-cereal, which means it's not technically a grain, but it's often used like one. Its seeds can be ground into a flour or cracked and used as a whole grain in side dishes and breakfast cereals. Amaranth has a slightly nutty flavor and a soft, chewy texture that some people compare to couscous. It's also incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide variety of recipes, both sweet and savory. Amaranth is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and several important minerals including magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Amaranth is also high in antioxidants, which help protect your cells against free radical damage. Now let's talk about some of the health benefits of amaranth. Amaranth is a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps to keep things moving smoothly and prevents constipation. It also helps to maintain a healthy weight by keeping you feeling full and satisfied after meals. This is because fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, which sends signals to your brain that you're full. In addition to its high fiber content, amaranth is also a good source of several essential vitamins and minerals. As we mentioned earlier, it's a complete protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in complex carbohydrates, which are a great source of energy. Amaranth is also high in antioxidants, which help protect your cells against free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage and lead to disease. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. This is important because oxidative stress has been linked to a number of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Another benefit of amaranth is its low glycemic index. This means that it has a low impact on your blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes or those looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, amaranth is a great option. It's also gluten-free, which makes it a good choice for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. If you're looking to add amaranth to your diet, there are a few things to keep in mind. Amaranth is available in both whole and ground form. If you're using the whole grain, be sure to crack it before cooking. To cook amaranth, simply boil it for 15 to 20 minutes or until tender. You can use amaranth in a variety of dishes, such as salads, soups, and stews. You can also make amaranth flour pancakes, muffins, or other baked goods. Let's take a look at some recipes that feature amaranth. Amaranth and quinoa salad. This salad is a great option for a light lunch or dinner. Simply combine cooked amaranth and quinoa with your favorite vegetables and a simple vinaigrette. Amaranth pancakes. For a gluten-free twist on a classic breakfast dish, try making amaranth pancakes. Just grind the amaranth into a flour and use it to make your favorite pancake recipe. Amaranth soup. Amaranth can also be used to make a hearty soup. Just simmer amaranth with broth, vegetables, and beans for a satisfying meal. In conclusion, amaranth is an ancient grain that's packed with nutrients and offers a variety of health benefits. From its high protein and fiber content to its low glycemic index and gluten-free status, it's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of dishes. Whether you're looking for a new grain to add to your rotation or you're interested in the potential health benefits of amaranth, this ancient grain is definitely worth trying. So why not give amaranth a try? You may just be surprised at how much you love it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.